Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap Solana to USDT on Binance. The first step would be to open up the Binance application. Make sure you have an account on here. So with your account, simply click on the add funds option, click on deposit crypto, and go ahead to deposit your Solana tokens. If you cannot deposit, if you don't have Solana tokens to deposit, you could as well use the receive option to receive from other Binance users, or go with the P2P options, which involves selling your US dollar for Solana tokens on the market, or simply buying the cryptocurrencies like USDT or Solana with your credit card. So you could go ahead and buy it using your credit card. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some Solana, click on the convert icon, and where we have Solana that's converting from, simply click on from and use the search to search for Sol. Click on Solana, and then where we have TO, click on this and simply search for USDT, and then enter the amount of Solana tokens you wish to convert into USDT and simply click on trade. By doing this, you've successfully converted your Solana tokens into the USDT, which you can find at the wallet section after a reload. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.